Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Crunchyroll restricted content. Restricted content is usually blocked because of age setting. Open Crunchyroll and go to account setting. Now look for mature content or age restriction. Make sure mature content is enabled and your age is set to 18 or above. Save the changes and reset the app. Next, refresh your account, log out of Crunchyroll, close the app completely, open it again and log back in. This helps apply the new setting. Go to the App Store or Play Store, search for Crunchyroll and make sure the app is fully updated. Older version may block contents by mistake. If you are using a VPN or proxy, turn it off. VPNs can cause Crunchyroll to think you are in a restricted region, which blocks certain anime. After turning it off, reopen Crunchyroll and try again. Sometimes the issue is specific device. If you are on mobile, try watching on a PC or browser. If you are on a browser, try another one like Chrome or Edge. And that's it. That's all for today's video guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in next one.